Alright, I got the new plastic pin off eBay. A lot of these break. This one's super snug. It bows up a little bit. You can see right there, I think that's on purpose, so it's really snug. They say you're not supposed to glue it in on the eBay listing. Just press it in. It was pretty hard to get all the way in there, all the way forward, but I think I got it far enough. And this pin is supposed to go into this hole right here. See where that is? This pin goes into that hole. So let's see. With the switches out, you can see through here. There's the pin, there's the hole. You gotta pull this up at an angle, but then also drop it in. The back has to be lowered in, and then slide it forward. There we go. You can see the pin reach through the hole, and that's what holds it down. Center it around the shifter, press it down a bit, and now this doesn't bounce up. Yeah, the pin fits right in that hole. Pretty snug fit. And to pull it out, you don't want to just lift here. That's how people break it. That's how I broke mine. Lift up here first, get it above the shifter, and then slide it back slowly until the pin's out of that hole. And then that's how you remove the center console. But yeah, that new pin off eBay, I think it's good.